Today we're gonna make a Mother's Day card that you can give to your mother or sent to your mother. It's Mother's Day here in a couple of days, so yeah, so we'll learn how to do shapes and just review some things. So first, get an AI image of something your mother's like. So flowers, a beach, whatever the deal might be. That's going to be the background in the picture. So create that on AI or find an image. Doesn't really matter. So I have a uh, blank canvas, a white, and I'm gonna make some hearts. So there's no actual heart in Photoshop. We're gonna make them from scratch. So below the text tool right here, there is a rectangle tool, or if you click, an ellipse tool. So if I go in, it makes an ellipse. I'm gonna go Control Z. But if I go in, and hold shift while I do it. So shift, and this it makes a circle. Yeah. Doesn't really matter what size it is, because I can move it around later on, and I can edit, free transform it to make whatever size I want. So now underneath that, I'm going to do a rectangle. So I do the rectangle tool, bam, and I just want it to be, I'm going to go shift so it's the same size. I want it to be about the same size. So I can go edit, free transform, bam, 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 bam. So probably about, whoa, I don't want that. Okay, good. Whoa, escape, Control Z, good. So this is what I want right here. So now that I have that, I want to put them together. But if you look, I can't merge down. It's not available. So I gotta rasterize it. So I go in and I go rasterize this guy, click on this guy, rasterize that guy, and now I can go merge down, or see, merge down, or Control E. Bam. So now this is one layer. Now I'm gonna go Control E, Control J, make a new one. Bam. Move this guy out of the way, and I'm going to take each of them and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. Edit, free transform. There we go. I can even type in 45, bam. And I go into this guy and I go edit, free transform, 45, bam. Then I move them on top of each other. Bam. I'm going to tilt one of them a little bit more. Take this guy, bam, and I'm going to go edit, free transform, bam, perfect. Okay, so now I have a heart. Take this guy, merge down, good. Now I'm gonna go edit, free transform, make it whatever size you want. Bam. I'm also gonna make some copies of it. So I go Control J, J, J. So I move one out, edit, free transform, make it a little bit smaller. Bam. Get this guy, move it out of the way, edit, free transform, maybe this way a little bit. I do maybe this guy, Move it out of the way. Edit, free transform. Bam. And that's about it. Bam. Now that I have all of these guys, I make them one layer. So control, so I take this guy, merge down, merge down, merge down. Good. So I have one layer. Okay, now I'm going to get text. I'm going to take this guy, and I'm going to click on this guy, and I just need something fat. So I want something fat like this or this. Yeah. So I go, Happy Mother's Day. Bam, good. And then I go edit, free transform, maybe get a little bit bigger. Good. And then I right click on it and I go warp text. An arc. Bam. Move this guy down. Bam. Then I could go edit, free transform, a little bit bigger. Whatever looks good to you. Bam. Then I want on this guy, so I go edit here. Bam. Thank you for loving me. Bam. I want to put all these layers together. So if you see, I don't have a merge down somewhere. So I take this guy and I go rasterize type. Bam. I go this guy, rasterize type. I go this guy, rasterize type. Now I go in, Control E, Control E, Control E. Bam. So one image. Blending options, bevel and emboss, maybe a drop shadow. Good. Okay, good. Go in, take my picture, select all, copy, go into this guy, paste, then I'll go in, create clipping mask. And then move it around so it looks good. Yeah. File, export, quick export SCBD, Mother's Day. Yeah. So that's it, making a Mother's Day card for your mother.